Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering on and priming both devices. Hold the headset power button for 3 seconds to enter pairing. The LED should flash. This signals Bluetooth advertising. On your phone or PC, open Bluetooth settings and scan while the headset flashes. Once you see BlackShark V2 Pro listed, do not tap yet. Keep the headset visible for the next confirmation step. These actions prepare a clean pairing environment and prevent automatic connections to other nearby devices. Once your device lists the headset, tap the name to initiate pairing. If your device requests a PIN, enter 0000 or accept the request. This secures the link. After pairing, your device should show Connected for audio or media. Make sure the headset is set as the output device in sound settings. Play a short test clip to verify microphone mute and volume behavior. If audio routes incorrectly, switch profiles between media and call in your Bluetooth menu. Finish by tuning levels. Set system volume and headset microphone gain to avoid clipping. Once done, enable app microphone permission for calls or games. If pairing fails, make sure firmware and OS are current, then reboot both devices and remove any previous pairing record before retrying. As a last resort, reset the headset by holding the power and volume buttons together until LEDs flash. This clears stored pairings and often resolves stubborn Bluetooth issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.